Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
Algae are most prominent in bodies of water but are also common in terrestrial environments. However, terrestrial algae are usually rather inconspicuous and far more common in moist tropical regions than dry ones. Because algae has not adapted to dry land, algae are also found in other situations, such as on snow. As you can see, the algae has a distinct red color.
The ecology of seaweeds is dominated by two specific environmental requirements. These are the presence of seawater, or at least brackish water, and in the presence of light sufficient to drive photosynthesis. A very common requirement is also to have a firm point of attachment.
Kelp grows in underwater forest, or also known as kelp forest, in clear, shallow oceans. It requires nutrient-rich water below about 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That is why it is found a few feet or meters underwater.
Algae are photosynthetic, eukaryotic organisms that do not develop multicellular sex organs. Algae is similar to a plant cell. It has two flagellums, an eye spot, and an organelle called a starch granule. It has the cell's energy reserve.
Seaweed contains all major and minor plant nutrients, all trace elements, alginic acid, vitamins, auxins, at least 2 gibberellins, and antibiotics. The holdfast is the roots of the seaweed. The stipe is the stem of the seaweed. The float contains a gas that makes the blades float near the surface, and the blades are the leaves of the seaweed.
The kelp structure is similar to the seaweed structure. They both have a holdfast, a stipe, a float, and a blade, except the upper part of the kelp is called the frond.
Common examples of kelp include Laminaria agardi and Laminaria digita.
The common examples of seaweed include spirulina and alginori.
The common examples of algae include brown algae and red algae.
The uses of kelp and seaweed include toothpaste, dog food, beer, and salad dressing. Yum.
The end.
Woo! Yeah.
Tee-hee!